I welcome all of you in the lesson number 6 for grade 1 mathematics.
How are you, sir? How are you, Jamal? How are you, Mustafa?
Alhamdulillah, we are good. Now, what I was saying, we were studying what we have learned so far, guys. We have learned the two methods for division. Okay. One of them is sharing into two equal groups. How we can divide into two equal groups by giving one each. Okay. Or like there were total 8 butterflies. We make two groups by giving one to each group. In that way, sharing into equal groups, we did it. And the another way we learned, that is by using repeated subtraction to divide the objects using repeated subtraction. In repeated subtraction, what you were doing, there were total 6 ice cream cones and you wanted to share them among Wrinkle, Bubble and Chickle. So what was the division using a repeated subtraction method? That you give each 3 kids one ice cream cone. So there were total 6. If you give them one, so there were 3. So that's mean you are giving 3. So you subtract out of total was 6. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. If you give them one, so you will have 3 ice cream cones left. Then again you give one, so you will have 0 ice cream cones left. So then you check how many times you subtract. 2 times. That's mean 2 is the answer. If you distribute 6 ice creams into 3 kids, that's mean every kid will get 2 cones. Every kid will get 2 cones. In that way, you learned how we can find out the division using repeated subtraction method. Today, we are going to do some practice and you are going to help me, guys. You also did some examples from the book. These 2 questions you finished. There were 12 vessels. You divided into 2 equal groups by sharing into 2 equal groups. In one of them is yellow and one of them is purple, and both will have 6 vessels in one group. You also did question number 1b. 14 clocks were there. You distributed into 2 equal groups, and in each group there are 7 clocks now. Same, you distributed 10x in 2 children, and every child get 5x. Today we'll do some practice sheet, and this is the practice sheet which we are going to do. Question number 1, work out the following, and this is the question. Share 6 oranges equally among 2 girls. So guys, you are going to help me. You can use any of the method to solve this, to write the answer. Just you need to tell me. I will ask some of the students and they will tell me the answer, and they will also tell me how they are solving. How do they know? So the first question is from Amir. Amir Al-Falai, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Amir, you have to distribute 6 oranges among 2 girls.
3.
3. How do you know?
6 minus 2.
Yeah. Okay, very good. You said 6 minus 2. You mean 6 minus 2, right?
Yeah.
Then
3.
6 minus 2 is equals to 4, right?
4. Yes.
Then
3. Finish.
how you are
Finish.
doing? I did not get how you are doing. You are using
False.
repeated subtraction method or
False.
which method? Okay.
False.
All right. Okay. I got your answer. I will take one more student. We'll see your answer is correct or not. Ryan, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, Ryan. Share 6 oranges equally among 2 girls.
Uncle Ryan.
Yes.
Yes.
Share these oranges between 2 girls.
6.
There are total 6 oranges. Okay. Now distribute it between two girls.
3.
How do you know?
3 orange and
Mm-hmm.
3 orange.
Okay. How do you know which method you are using? With the help of table, or you distribute it into equal groups one by one, or you use repeated subtraction method. Okay. I have got your answer. I'll take one more student. Omar Mustafa. Can you hear me, Omar Mustafa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Omar. You have to distribute 6 oranges among two girls.
Okay, 16 plus 4.
Why 16 plus 4? You have to distribute, divide, share these oranges in two girls.
What, sir?
These are the 6 oranges. Let's suppose your father bought these oranges.
Okay.
Okay.
1,
And now
2, 1, 2.
listen. Let's suppose your father bought 6 oranges and he asked you to distribute among your brother and sister equally.
Yes.
So tell me, if you distribute into two girls, how many oranges will
Okay.
each girl get?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.
There are total 6, but you have to distribute in two girls
2
equally.
and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4.
No, you cannot do it 4, 4 because 4 plus 4, 8. There are 6
6,
oranges.
6 oranges.
Distribute it, Umar, by giving them 1, 1. Okay. Let's suppose first girl, you give this orange.
8.
Look, listen to me. You give this orange to first girl, right?
Okay, right.
Give this orange to another girl. Now they both have one orange, right?
And 8.
Listen, Omar, listen. They both have one orange now.
Yes.
Still, how many oranges are left? One, two, three, and
2,
four.
3,
Four.
4.
So you can give one more orange to each girl. Give them one more orange. This girl also you give one
1,
orange.
2, 3. There are 3.
And now you give this girl also one orange. How many oranges
And
are
it's
left?
2.
Two oranges are left.
2.
So can you give one more orange to each girl? Yes or no?
What?
Can you give one more orange to each
No.
girl? Yes, there are two oranges left. You can give this orange to the girl,
Yes.
first girl.
And green.
Yes. And another girl you can give this orange. So how many oranges does each girl get?
6.
No. One girl. I'm talking about one
3
girl.
and 3.
One.
3. 3
Okay.
and 3.
But tell me, one girl get how many oranges? Only
How
one.
many orange?
One.
6.
One girl. I'm asking for one. One, two, three. One girl get 3 oranges. Look, this yellow one. This is taken by girl one, and this is taken by girl
Yes, I see.
two. Okay. So when you divide 6 oranges into two equal groups, so each girl will get 3 oranges. Okay, that's very good. All right, guys, I'm receiving your messages. So some of the students, they answered correctly. They said this the answers should be 3. So 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So I will write here, guys, 3. This is 3. Every girl will get 3 oranges. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. This is 3. Now we are going to ask next question. Okay. Abdul Malik Hassan. Very good. And who is this? Ibrahim Muhammad. Okay, very good. But answer one time. Don't send too many messages. Okay. Ahmad Muhammad. Yeah, you can have. It will be resolved, inshallah. Hamad Al Khalf. You want to try? Okay. All right, all right, all right. You guys are all, you all are some of the you are answering already for question number 1B. This is very good. Very good of you. This is the next question, guys. Share 16 nuts equally among 4 squirrels. Okay. So count these squirrels, count these nuts and tell me how many total are they. Can you tell me how many total nuts are there? Yes.
8. Total 16. Yes.
Just
minus
Total 16.
8.
Total 16.
Yes.
guys, I'm asking total nuts. This total. I make here. I'm pointed out here. So tell me how many total nuts are there. Yes.
16.
16.
16.
Very good. There are total 16 nuts and you have to distribute equally among how many squirrels? Yes, guys. How many squirrels are there?
4.
Very good. Guys, here we will use repeated subtraction method to solve this so that we can revise that method also. So I'm going to ask one of you and you are going to answer me. First, I will erase this. Okay. And I am going to ask by yes, Hamad.
Yes, sir.
Share 16 nuts equally among 4 squirrels. Can you help me?
16. Sir.
Yes.
16 divide 4 equal 8.
16 divide 4 equal 8.
Yes.
How? How do you know?
Me, I know, sir.
How you're solving? Use repeated
Me,
subtraction method. Repeated
my,
subtraction.
sir, my mom no tell me.
Okay. But
I
you
tell six.
but
I
your
tell
answer is wrong.
16.
Hamad, your answer is wrong. 16 divided by 4 is not equals to 8.
4.
Now your mother told you.
Not
Listen,
wallah, wallah, not wallah.
listen. Tell me how you are doing. 16 nuts. How many squirrels are there? 4. Give every squirrel one nut. If you give them one to each squirrel, that means you will give total 4. Right?
Yes.
If each squirrel will get one nut, that means you will cut 4 out of 16. So this is 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4 equals to what?
16 minus 12.
12.
Yes.
You can see there are 12 nuts left now. Now you have still 12 nuts, so you can give one more nut to each squirrel. If you give one more nut to each squirrel, how many 4 are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's mean you will minus what number from 12?
12
Yes. Minus
minus 4
Very good.
equal
Yes.
8 equal
Very
8.
good. Very good. Because there are now 8 nuts left. That's very good. I will take one more student to answer it. After this, what will happen? And this is I'm going to take Ibrahim Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ibrahim. We are using repeated subtraction method to distribute 16 nuts equally among 4 squirrels. So we have given 4 squirrels out of 16. So we had 12 left. Then again we give 4. So we had 8 left. Now what will we do next? We'll give one more or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If we give one more nut to each squirrel, so how many nuts will be subtracted from 8?
4.
4. Very good, because there are total 4 squirrels. If we give them one nut to each, that's mean we will cut 4 from total, and there were total 8. So 8 minus 4 equals to
No. 4.
4. Very good. 8 minus 4 equals to 4. Now there are only 4 nuts left. Can you give one more nut to 4 squirrels?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So you will give one more nut to each squirrel, and there are 4. So you will minus 4 minus 4. Can you tell me 4 minus 4 equals to what?
0.
0. Okay, very good. Yes, guys, all of you, can you tell me 4 minus 4 equals to what? In the chat box, please. 4 minus 4 equals to what? Abdul Rauf, very good. Amir, very good. Ammar Yasir, very good. Ibrahim Muhammad, Anas Ahmad, Jamal Badr, Hamza, very good. Abdullah, very good. Hamza Muhammad, Anas Muhammad, wrong. Rayan, very good. Hassan, no. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Azam Soleh, very good. 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Okay. Guys, I have minused now. Listen my question carefully. I have used repeated subtraction method, and I have distributed one nut equally first time. So this I minus 4. Another time again minus 4, and I keep subtracting until I reach 0. Now I reached up to 0. Can you tell me 16 divided by 4 equals to what? For the answer, I need to check how many times I subtracted 4 in order to reach 0. So can you tell me the answer? 16 divided by 4 equals to what? Chat box, please. Azam Soleh, very good. 16 divided by 4 equals to what? Amir, very good. Ammar Yasir, very good. Abdul Rauf, very good. Rayan, very good. Very good. Anas Fahad, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Very good, Abdul Malik Hassan. Anas Ahmad, very good. Jamal Badr, very good. Ibrahim Muhammad, Abdul Rahman Atif, good. Ibrahim Muhammad, also good. Uh-huh. So guys, I'm going to open your mic and you have to tell me. Each squirrel will get how many nuts?
4.
4 notes. 4
4.
notes. Notes. 4 notes. 4
Very good. So you will write here 4. Why 4, guys? Because you will see how many times you subtracted 4 from 16. One time, sorry, I will take this another pen. This is one time, two time, three time, and four time. And you can also check the groups. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also there are 4 groups. So that's why you know that the answer is 4. 16 divided by 4 equals to 4. This is the answer. Now I will erase it. Is it clear to you guys? Yes or no?
Yes. No, no, no.
Yes.
No, 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 no,
Yeah,
no,
yes.
no, 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 no.
Okay, if you have any problem, any confusion, you can send message on the chat box and I can ask what is your problem. I can open your mic and I can ask you. Those students who are saying no, send message on the chat box so that I can see your name and I can open your mic and I can take your questions. Yes. Please send message if you did not understand anything. Yes, Ammar. Yes, Abdullah. If you have question, you can write, sir, I have question, so that I can open your mic. Yes, I'm listening. Abdullah. Where is? Yes, Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
What question do you have? What do you want to ask?
Question number 3.
Mm-hmm. Question number 3, we did not started yet.
Mm,
You want to answer question number 3?
yes.
Okay, wait. Keep silent. I'm all right, class. Nobody is having question. Abdul Rauf is asking which table should I know? Abdul Rauf, for your class, if you know the table of 2, 5 or 10, uh, this is very important. But if you learn the table from 2 to 5 and then also 10, so it will be very good for you. All class, if you learn the tables, this is very good for you, because with the help of table, if you know the tables, you don't need to make groups and all this, you can directly answer the division. Table of 2, table of 5 and table of 10 we have already learned when we were learning multiplication, and in the first class we also revised that table. Okay, but if you want to have good grasp on division, so you can learn the table of 2, table of 3 and table of 4 also, so that will help you. Otherwise you can do with the help of these methods also. Share 18 pages. Well, we are going to we have another topic, division with the help of table of 5 and table of 10. Very good, Abdul Rauf. All right, guys, this is share 18 pieces of cheese equally among 3 mice. Guys, mice is the plural of mouse. When we talk about one mouse, we say mouse, and when we talk about more than one mouse, we say it mice. So we have to distribute, we have to share. What we have to share? We have to share 18 pieces of cheese equally among how many mouse? 3 mice. Okay, for this you need to help me. You need to help me. Okay, so I'm going to take you and you have to answer. Yes, Amar. Yes.
16.
18. How many total cheese pieces of cheese are there? Yes, how many total pieces of cheeses are there? Guys, can you tell me how many pieces of cheese are there?
18.
18.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good. And you have to distribute You have to share equally among how many mice? 1, 2, 3. Among how many mice?
Three.
Very good, guys. Very good. So I'll take one of you to answer it. How you can do it? Hassan Asad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hassan. Can you help me to distribute these 18 pieces of cheese equally among
Yes.
three mouse? Yes, three mice.
Three mice.
Hmm. Each mouse will get how many pieces of cheese?
That's not mine.
Very good, Hamza. Yes, Hassan Asad. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Tell me the answer. Very good, Hamza Al Sayyed. Yes.
Mice.
Okay, let me ask to the students first. Then we will move one by one. Yes, guys, tell me the answer in the chat box. And also tell me the method. If you're using repeated subtraction method, show your subtraction sentences also. Aha. Share 18 pieces of cheese equally among three mice. Each mouse will get how many pieces of? How many pieces of cheese? Jamal Badr, very good. Hamza, very good. Uh, Hamza Ahmad Suleiman. Try to write all your subtraction sentences in one message. Ammar Yasser, very good. Amir, very good. No, Abdullah Saad, Adam Umar, very good. Amir, very good. Ammar, very good. Azam Soleh, very good. Yes. Okay, guys. I want one student who can explain this. How we are distributing 18 pieces equally among three mouse using any method, repeated subtraction or distributing one by one. If any student can explain it, how we are doing. So send message in the chat box. I'm going to open your mic and I will listen how you are explaining. But only those students who can explain. Okay. Three students are saying, okay, I will ask one by one. Hamza Al Sayyed, Abdul Rauf. I will take Hamza Al Sayyed first. Where is Hamza Al Sayyed? Yes, Hamza.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Explain how you can.
18 minus 3, 15.
Okay.
It's 15 minus
Wait, Hamza, wait. 18 minus 3 equals 15, right?
15.
Then,
15 minus 3 equal 12.
okay. Then,
12 minus 3 equal 9.
okay.
9 equal minus 3
Mm,
equal 6.
okay.
6 minus 3, 3.
Okay.
3 minus 3 equals 0.
Okay. Now, what is the answer?
6.
How? How do you know?
I count.
How do you know the answer is 6?
I count this.
This is the question. I ask you how to how to do it. Okay. Now I will take another student. Who was that? Abdul Rauf.
By table.
You are doing by table. You know the table
Yes.
of 3.
Yes.
3 multiplied by what will give you 18?
6.
Very good, very good, very good.
3 1
Okay.
3 3 2 6 3 3 9 3 4 12 3 5 15 3 3
6.
3 7 21.
Okay, okay, okay. Very good, very good, very good. Who was the next? Ahmad Muhammad. He was doing with the help of table. And the next one was Ahmad. Yes, Ahmad Muhammad.
Yes, sir. Good
Ha-
morning, sir.
Good morning. How we can solve it?
We can solve it by 6.
Okay. The answer is what? 6? How do you know it is 6?
No, not 6. It's 3. I make all 3
Okay.
by 6. Make all 3 boxes 6.
Okay. All right, guys.
He can't explain. He want to say, sir, that he makes on each six he make a circle.
Okay, but he's not explaining. He is not able to explain. Okay, no problem. I will
Okay,
explain.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. Now I will explain how we are doing. One boy tell me this repeated subtraction method. One boy told me he can use the tables to answer it. And this boy make the groups. So guys, you can use any method to find the answer and the answer will be same. The answer will be 6. 18 divided by 3 will be 6. For this method, what you will see how many times you subtracted 3 from 18. There were total 18 pieces. You distribute first each of mouse 1 1. That's mean minus 3. After 15, when you have 15, again give 1 1. 15 minus 3, 12. Again give 1 1. 12 minus 3, 9. 9 minus 3, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. And 3 minus 3, 0. You will keep subtracting until you reach 0. How many times you subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the first way. So you can write here answer that it is 6. It is 6. Each mouse will get 6 pieces. Okay. One more method is what? How you can do it? You can give it one by one. Like if you give this 4 pieces to one mouse and this 4 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 pieces to one. Okay. And you can give this 4 pieces, 3 from here and 1 from here. Still you can see there are too many left. So you can give again 2 from here, 4 to 6, 2 from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and from here. So you can see that each group, each mouse will get 6, 6. Okay, guys, our class time is also finished. Inshallah, I'll meet you into the next class. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye bye,
Bye,
sis.
bye,
Bye
bye,
bye,
Bye-bye.
sis.
bye.
Bye-bye.